Pdx Ipc 257X. Pdx is the product data exchange standard for manufacturing. Pdx is a multi-part standard, represented by the Ipc 2570 series of specifications. Pdx files are text files in extensible markup language, XML, format. Pdx files can be used to describe. The specification of Pdx is defined in three specification documents. Ipc 2571. Generic requirements for electronics manufacturing supply chain communication. Ipc 2576. Sectional requirements for electronics manufacturing supply chain communication of built product data. Ipc 2578. Sectional requirements for supply chain communication of bill of material and product design configuration data.